from that first no-till conference, it's the no-till conference is the can't miss event for me because of going back and seeing that at the very first one. And thanks to the Lesters for all to continue that too.
Yeah, I know Frank and Mike enjoy putting this conference on, and all of us on staff love being there and actually seeing the people and talking with the people who our work affects, because we all really care about what we do. But you're a frequent attendant of the No-Till Conference, and this year you're actually hosting a pre-conference workshop for us at your farm, since we'll be back in Indianapolis. So could you tell everyone a little bit about what you're going to talk about during that workshop?
Well, with that, I'm excited just to share the information that I've been involved with. I'm going to have a presenter there with me that I'm involved with a water monitoring project, an intense water monitoring project, because our water, a stream, it's the third largest tributary that goes into it's called Eagle Creek Reservoir, which is the source of drinking water for Indianapolis. And to share the exciting news about that, how we improve the water quality with the practices that we do. And I like to, share the information that what has been successful for me in the past years, what I learned, the new products that are out there that I'm trying, and learning from my peers again, and just having a good time socializing with them with dinner, and it's kind of a great fun get together that I'm excited to have.